Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here, please subscribe, followed by the bell. So, the Galaxy Z Flip 4 and Fold 4 are both foldable phones. They differ in many ways. The most noticeable difference is that the Z Fold bends like a book, while the Z Flip folds vertically. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4's release date, price, new features and specs. It's too soon to have any reputable rumors regarding the Galaxy Z Flip 4 release date, but looking at the foldable phones and its Galaxy Z Fold siblings history, we can broadly deduce when to expect the new device. The Galaxy Z Flip's launches don't appear to follow a specific pattern, as the original was announced in February 2020 and the Galaxy Z Flip 3 was released in August 2021. However, Samsung seems to have buddied the device with the Galaxy Z Fold, which is why the Z Flip jumped from version 1 to 3, to match the naming convention of the Z Fold. The 2019 Galaxy Fold and 2020 Z Fold 2 were released in September, while the Z Fold 3 debuted in August 2021. If Samsung plans on releasing the phones as a pair, we can likely expect the Galaxy Z Flip 4 in August or September alongside the Galaxy Z Fold 4. We haven't yet heard much in terms of the Galaxy Z Flip 4's possible price either, but we can look to rumors about the Galaxy Z Fold 4 for hints. A Korean leaker U1122 suggests the upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 4 will cost less than the Z Fold 3, and Mac Rumors reported in February that they correctly guessed the iPad mini XS release time frame, but were incorrect about the tablet screen size. Although the tipster didn't provide any further detail, that speculation aligns with the phone's price history. The Galaxy Z Fold 3 $1,800 got a price drop compared to the Fold 2 $2,000. The price of the Galaxy Z Flip 3 was slashed last year as well to $1,000 from $1,380 for the original Z Flip. With that in mind, it's within the realm of possibility for Samsung to decrease the cost of the Z Flip 4, but, like every other rumor, we won't know for sure until the company announces the device. Galaxy Z Flip 4's display suggests Samsung's making a few small tweaks rather than large sweeping upgrades. The Z Flip 4 will retain the 6.7-inch internal foldable display of the Z Flip 3, but the external cover screen will slightly increase from 1.83 to 1.9 inches. Samsung didn't upgrade the camera hardware for the Galaxy Z Flip 3, but the upcoming Z Flip May 4th offer some improvements. If rumors are to be believed, the new foldable will offer a rotating camera and a better under-display camera. Samsung filed another patent application with the World Intellectual Property Office for a clamshell phone sporting a rotating camera. As Let's Go Digital reported in July, the camera, which lives on the foldable's hinge, has two lenses and can pivot to be used when the phone is closed, open, or at different angles in between. This means the camera could take selfies and meet other photography needs. Although a one-size-fits-all camera sounds neat, it may also cause the foldable's hinge to be significantly larger, making the phone itself bigger and bulkier. Yeah, that is it guys. Let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.